Hello everybody, this is a quick little tip. Oh, sorry about that, I vape. Right, very quick tip. I'm not sure if the camera can pick the hair up or the hair on the back of there. That is a pain in the butt when you're doing hair systems, because if you want to create a hairline that looks amazing using lace tape, you can. But the fluff on this side that catches it makes it difficult to do, plus it holds on to the scissors. Oh, by the way, I haven't got my hair on today, right? I don't know if you can see that. So when you use it, now there's hair on this one, and that's probably my mistake. There we go. And it really is a pain. So if you get tape, they normally come in these packaging. But as soon as you've used it, put it back in. It's there for a reason. And it makes taping up so much easier, because the scissors catch the hair and you end up getting frustrated. There's Phil the Hairman, aka the Beast. Hoo-hoo. Tip for today.